Welcome back guys, this is Shrikant. Today in this video I am going to show you how to assign the parameters to default value. Okay, so in last video we have seen that we created one store procedure and added three parameter, right? So basically when we add these parameters, it get added into the parameter section here, right? So ID is my first parameter, name is my second, degree is my third one. But every time when I come to the preview section, it asks me to pass a value, but it's quite irritating because now this is a simple design, but sometimes the SSRS design is very complicated report design. So every time giving some same value again and again, it's very irritating. And sometimes passing the same value won't store the cache. So if we'll have the stored value for the parameters, then we can get the report cache benefit because it create data file automatically. Okay. Now in this video I am going to show you how to set default value for multiple parameters. So simply you need to go to the parameter section, you will see your respective parameter, double click over the parameters. Now here we have multiple options. Do you want to allow null? Yes, I want to. And do you want to show visible? Yes. Then available value, default value, and these are the multiple things, right? So we need to select the default value. Which value do you want to give? I want to say it's a 1. So when first time I go to the tab, I will see the default value as a 1. Let's go to the preview section again. Here I will see the 1 value has been appended here, right? So 1 value is coming here, but there are other two values which need to be filled, then it will run automatically. So how do I do that? Again go to the name, then double click over there, just go to the default value, click select the specify value, and here I'm selecting Shrikant 111. So this is my default value for the name. Again go to the preview section and see the value, it got updated. So value for the name is Shrikant 111 has been updated, fine. But there is a one more value for the degree need to be filled. So just go to the design, then click on a degree. Again follow the same rule, default one, then go to the specify value, click on a add. Here add b dot e b dot egg, right? So click on a OK. Okay, now we have passed default value to all the parameters. So what will we do? We simply click on a preview and let's see the magic. Now all the default value get binded to respective parameter, and have you seen one thing? You didn't click on a view report, the report got loaded automatically. Just go to the design and again click on a preview, right? You are not clicking anything. This default value is taking by the SSRS and it automatically clicking on the view report section. So you don't need to do anything here. So this is the beauty of assigning the default value to respective parameter. Hope you guys enjoyed our video and enjoying our series of SSRS. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.